Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 4:15 p.m. At 3:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Winnebago, or 8 miles northwest of Rockford, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Will be near Rockford around 3:20 p.m. McChesney Park around 3:45 p.m. Rockton around 3:50 p.m. South Beloit and Roscoe around 3:55 p.m.
This was reading 7.5.
Interstate 19 between mile markers 1 and 5. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.